All right, welcome to Five Lakes Garage. Today we have something a little bit different. Some of you are really going to enjoy it, and some of you might not. That's up to you. But I have my good friend Ryan that is going to go through the entire history of scouting. He has a fantastic collection. It is huge, and don't let him be modest. He has some really great stuff in there. It has stuff from Lord Baden Powell all the way to present day. It has the Venture Scouts, Sea Scouts, Air Scouts. I didn't even know they had Air Scouts, but it was really cool to learn. There's going to be an entire series for these, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. So stay tuned, and if you can, watch them all. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Ryan Losonsky. I go by the name Nentico Trader on eBay. I am an Eagle Scout from Troop 874 in Columbia, Maryland. I grew up in Maryland, so the majority of my collection is from Maryland. Today I'd like to take the time to show you my collection, as well as talk scouting heritage and collecting merit badges. I'd like to introduce you to some of the displays I have going all the way back to really the dawn of the BSA Scout movement, all the way up to present day, as well as give you a few good ideas and different tidbits that I've learned along the way for organizing and caring for my collection.